everyone, I'm going to tell you about my story. So, I'm Jedidia, and this is my story. Yeah, I come from a normal family. I began my kindergarten education at West Department 2 in Medan and continued there to SMP. However, in the third grade, I transferred to Methodist 12 due to the impact of the coronavirus, which takes all of us. The outbreak made my father's job more challenging, and unfortunately, he was laid off because of the pandemic and some religious issues. Yeah, his boss, a Muslim, treated my Christian father and other Christians unfairly, leading to the dismissal of most Christian employees. Fortunately, my father managed to stay just long enough to receive his bonus before being fired. It made us sad as a family, and that's when we really started to depend on God's miracle. We prayed and had quiet time with God more than ever before. Yeah, then I continued into my new school. At first, it seems like a poor school, and honestly, I was afraid. But soon, I realized that the people there were so open and friendly. Maybe because most of us are Bataknis. Yeah, it turned out to be a miracle for me. I became better at my studies because it was easier to collaborate and connect with the people there. My dad also got a new job as a businessman, and that made our life much easier. He no longer had to work overtime. We could spend much more time together as a family, even though his income wasn't as high as it was when he worked at Huawei. Still, we truly thank God for everything. Yeah, in the second semester there, I started thinking about getting into a good high school. And that's when I realized my dad used to attend a dormitory school called IASOP. Yeah, at first I wanted to go there too. My father was excited about the idea and began teaching me all kinds of math topics. He even signed me up for a course at SSC, or Sony Gamer College. I felt energized and motivated to learn everything. Of course, I met some lazy friends who just played games, and sometimes that made me want to play too. But seeing other friends studying hard inspired me. It made me want to befriend them and stay focused on my goals. Then I learned about another school called Dell. Yeah, it was pricier than Yasop, but it had many successful alumni. I became interested in Dell as well, so I made both schools my goals. Around that time, my school encouraged me to join a small district math Olympiad. Of course, I was now first, but I saw it as a chance to help me reach my goals. So I decided to join this competition. At the event, I saw many good schools participating like Sutomo, Santo Thomas, and others. I got really afraid, but I remembered God and prayed hard to Him. So when the competition ended, it was a Sunday, yeah, and I didn't want to miss church. So I left before the announcement and took public transport to my church. After church finishes, After church finished, I checked my phone, and there it was. I had won third place. The moment really made me want to thank God even more. Without him, I wouldn't have won. So I continued on with my studies. One day, a psychologist friend from church and her child suddenly came to visit our home. My family and I was surprised by their visit, but we warmly welcomed them and served them food. She taught me a lot and helped me understand things better. The test time came, and starting with the academic test at Nansen universities. I was the test time came starting with the academic test at Nansen University. I was very nervous to see students from far better school than mine. I realized my only hope was God, and again, God helped me. I was so happy when I passed the test. We celebrate as a family and praise God. Then came the second test. It felt really scary to see big, strong competitors with visible muscles. I tried my best in the running test, and it felt that God gave me strength and made me faster. After the test, I went home and simply prayed to God for the best. 2 weeks later, it was time for the YASOP test. It was similar, but since YASOP is a military school and had some physical limitations and allergies, I knew my only hope was God. The test was finished, and it was time to wait. The first result to come out was from YASOP, and praise God, I passed, not as a substitute, but as official student. Then came the day result, and I passed that too. Yeah, I was very happy with the result and felt so grateful for God's infinite miracles. And now, here I am, a student at Dell. That's my story. Whoever you are out there, surrender all yourself to God. So, Whoever you are out there, surrender yourself to God and always trust Him. Alright, I hope my stories inspires you to be great. Bye.